What's up, everybody? The Darkest Eyes here, and welcome back to another video. But today, I'm playing UFC Undisputed. Let's get into it. Alright, I didn't know what to play, so I just playing this. I just want to beat somebody up, so why not just take my anger out on this? I guess it's exhibition. I just want to fight, just get down with those hands. I'm gonna go with blue, cause blue got to do with the flu. No? Alright. Let's go with light heavyweight. Let's go with light heavyweight. Why not? Alright. So we gonna pick Tito Ortiz, Wanderlei Silva, Anderson Silva, Chuck Liddell, Rampage Jackson, Forrest Griffin, alright, just one of the people I created. Let's be Quicksilver. Then person I'm gonna fight. Why not kill? Whatever. Let's get into it, man. Let's fight him. Let's beat him up. Let's just beat him up. Let's see what happens. Let's see who gonna win. And if y'all think I'm putting it on easy, y'all just see me. There is no easy on it.
We are now set for the official introductions, and with that, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC light.
I'm sorry. I'm about to skip this. I don't want to hear this. There we go. Let's bust him up. Let's go. Come on.
And here we go.
Come on, my boy. Come on. Oh yeah. I'm the one with the blue gloves. All right. I just want you to know. Come on. Throw them bangers, my boy. Come on. Oh, leave some comments in the comment section below of who y'all think gonna win. Just blow them comments up. Just blow them up, man. Just say who gonna win, and don't cheat and skip the video.
Body shot. Big right hand. Pushing forward quickly. Stumbling that time. The 8-1.
Come on, man. Come on, my boy. You cocky though. I ain't gonna lie. You cocky. You got the. Yo. You seen that? Y'all had to see that. Look. Hold up. Do they got a replay? Hold up. They gotta show the replay. Come on. Look. Bob. Ooh. Hold up. Bob. Ooh. My boy. Ooh. Right on the butt. See, never mind. I won. Y'all. Alright, let's skip that. Alright, this time, we gonna act it, cause I guess that fight was too easy. I don't know. Y'all look. Now look. This game don't put on easy. Like, the way it's easy is like the ratings. Like, if my ratings is like 89, then the other person's rating is like 18. That means the person ratings when they 18, that means he's weak. So that person must have been weak, though. I don't know. I mean, I could have overrated the person I created. So, let's take this one with Brock Lesnar. Y'all all should know Brock Lesnar. Alright, so, Brock Lesnar, you see it? Overall rating, 88. I just picked Brock Lesnar. His is 84. Let's see. His is 88 too. So we got a perfect match. So let's see who gonna win. Y'all leave some comments down below on who gonna win this fight, Brock Lesnar or this other dude. Let's see. Let's figure it out right now.
Our
Brock
talent
Lesnar
for the
or
Tekken
Adri Alowski.
Once again, with our official introductions for this battle,
Let's get
the
into it.
veteran voice of the Octagon,
And I'm older than him. Why his hair look fake though?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Sorry.
are you ready?
Brock
do it.
Lesnar, Andre Arlovski.
Oh, Andre. I didn't know.
Lesnar brings
Come
physical
on.
attributes
Come
to the
on.
Octagon
Come
that
on.
we have never
Come on,
seen.
my boy. Come
Physical
on.
attributes that are very
Come on.
hard to deal with. The
Boy.
man is a juggernaut.
What you
He
want?
is a giant super
Oh yeah, I am a juggernaut. Hold up.
swing and a miss.
Hold
Just
up.
miss with that one.
Hold up. Hold up.
Right there.
No. No.
Nice right hand.
Oh yeah.
Oh, stumbled in that time.
Come on. Yo.
Came with the overhand right. He's
Yo.
regained his
Come on. Come on.
So I can't believe it here that this guy was back at 100%. But he has
Come on.
excellent
Come on.
conditioning. He's only
Come
got
on.
a bit of a
Come on. Come on, my boy.
What a buzz in this one.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean,
Come on. Come on. Come on. Knock him out. Knock him out. Knock him out. Come on. Knock him out. Knock him out. Oh. My boy. I'm still punching him though. My boy. Who won that fight? Y'all better not have cheated. Blow them comments up. Alright. Alright. We gonna do another fight. This gonna be the last fight too, alright? This gonna be the last fight, then I go exit out of this. Alright. So yo, chilling with the best. You got a big check. Alright. Let's do this. So let's get into it right now. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna go up to the lightest heavyweight. The lightest heavyweight. Well, alright, let's see. Diego Sanchez, my boy. Alright, let's pick. Though all of them is. Alright, I'm about to just press triangle and pick somebody random. Let's do it. They picked him for me. I ain't do that. I guess let's pick him. He ugly though. We gonna pick somebody random for you too. Just to not be cheating. That's him. I ain't pick him. I press triangle. This the last fight. I want y'all to blow these comments up on who gonna win this fight. If y'all right, then I don't know, but I can't say nothing because y'all might cheat, skip the video, and then just put the comments down below of who won the fight when y'all cheated. So blow the comment section up. Who gonna win this fight, me or the other dude? Sorry, Bruce Buffer. Alright, let's do this. Do this. Do this. Come on. Oh, hold up. Hold up.